Good evening, students. Today we are going to see one of the important topic of our writing section, that is short story writing. First of all, let's see what is a short story. What's a story? It's an artistic form of prose fiction which is centered on a single main incident whose aim is to produce a single dominant impression. So basically, student story, it's an artistic form of prose fiction. Now prose is like when you have sequence, जब आपके पास events होते हैं किसी writing section में, right? And it is centered on some incident. Okay, the center or the main thing in the story is like some incident जो हुआ. Okay, right, which whose aim is, what's the aim of that incident? To just give an impression on the reader, right? Whether it could be a good impression, negative impression, or positive impression, that depends on the story, kind of story. Okay, so this is a short story. Great writers are able to use the elements of the short story with such precision that the reader is caught up in the action of the story. This is a mark of a good story and our goal as a writer. So we have good writers. So how do they write stories? Like, they use the elements that are required in a short story with with such a precision is like accuracy, जो जहाँ होना चाहिए वैसे ही, right? Accuracy, okay, that the reader is caught up in the story, right? That means the reader just gets involved in the story, right? And this is a mark of a good story. If you're getting involved in your story, right, you are imagining the things by your own, right? What would have happened next, what will happen next. Okay, so this is a mark that is your story is very good. And that's our goal as a writer. Obviously, as a writer, if you're a writer, you want readers to get involved in the story, right? Same way, when you write a story, your story should have all the main elements that are required. So now let's discuss the elements. So here are few elements that are required for a good story: setting, characterization, plot, conflict, climax, resolution, theme, and point of view. These are some of the elements that are required to create a good story. Now we are going to discuss them in detail. First of all, let us see setting. Like, what is setting here in the story? Basically, it tells the reader where and when the story takes place, like where the incident took place. Okay, it's like the background there. Okay, it could be a forest, right? It could be a classroom, anything. That depends on the kind of story again. Basically, it is where the incident is taking place. Okay, that is the setting in the story, right? So our next element is characterization. Very important. Creation of imaginary people who appear to be real to the reader. So basically, characterization is like characters in the story, people in the story. Up that may be fable, so it would be animals or other creatures in the story. Okay, the writer gives information about the characters in the story through this. Okay, that number of characters in the story, main characters, sub characters. You all know about characters, like main character, one character is the main, and sometimes we have sub characters. We don't, the ones who don't play important role, but they are there in the story, those are sub characters. Okay, so characterization, characters in the story. Okay, that is characterization. Next part is plot. Okay, series of events through which writer reveals what is happening, to whom, and why. So it's like sequence of events. You must have seen now, first of all this happened, then this led to this, then this. So this is sequence. Okay, so it tells reader that what happened after what, right? So what is happening and to whom it is happening and why. Okay, so it clears the story. So it's just like how your story from the starting came to the end. Okay, so how it came, that is the plot. Series of events that took place in the story. Next is the conflict. Okay, it's like a problem or situation in the story that needs to be resolved or solved. Okay, conflict, you all know what is the meaning of conflicts. Any argument, any problem that is there in the story and how it should be solved. Okay, so it depends on the story. If the story doesn't include conflicts, it's okay, right? It depends on the story. It may have a conflict even, right? Next is the climax, right? Climax, like when the action comes to its highest point of conflict. कि at the end फिर क्या हुआ? Okay, that is the climax. You all must be familiar with this word because we all watch movies and also we have climax in the movies. Same way, we need a climax in our story also, just to clear out that at last what happened. Okay. Next is resolution, or you can say conclusion in the story. Story is action after climax until the end of the story. Like conclusion is just the end. At the end, what happened at the end? What was the conclusion? Like if you are having a problem in a story, right? You have discussing a conflict. So at the end, what was the conclusion that was drawn out in the story? Okay, so that is resolution or conclusion. Now theme, basically stories main ideas. Okay, the message that you want, like there are some stories which have message that the writer wants to give to the reader, or there's a moral. Okay, so the message the writer intends to communicate by telling the story. If you want to give any message through your story, if any moral through your story to the readers, then you can write it down, right? So it's very important. It depends on the kind of story, whether it includes a moral or not. Okay, it's this point of view, right? What do you think about the story? So it's like the position of the narrator of the story and what the writer sees from the vantage point. Vantage point is like positive point unko kya dikha story mein. Okay, it's optional, it's up to you what kind of story you are writing. It depends on you. Okay, so these were some of the elements of a short story which make it a good story. So you all should include these points in your story while you're writing your story. Okay, now along with this, there are some things you all should remember while writing a story. Points to remember. Let's quickly go through it. First one, focus should be on a single incident. Okay, it's like if you are discussing any incident, so you should not involve other incidents also. It may confuse the reader. Okay, so just focus on single incident and try to create it, make it more creative. Story should be written in the past tense. Obviously, you all should know every time story should be written in the past tense. Obviously, you cannot write what will happen. Okay, because story is already, it has already taken place, so it will be in the past tense. It should revolve around the central character. जो आपका main character होगा story में, the story should revolve around it only. Climax should be clear and thrilling. Climax, that means the ending should be clear and it should be thrilling, like for the reader. The plot should be created so as to captivate the reader. That means जो आप plot create करोगे, the sequence of events, it should be so thrilling and so good content that it should just captivate the reader. It should just hold the reader, mind of the reader, right? That he or she may want to read it, full story. Okay, so just to captivate the mind of the reader, the plot should be creative. Okay, like when you watch any horror movie or something, so you have that suspense in your mind. Okay, that keeps you sitting, right, to read the whole story. So that thing. And you have to stick to the word limit. All the word limit may be described in the question, but then too it should be around 150 to 200 words. Okay, don't exceed that. And if necessary, the story may have a moral also. This I have told you. If necessary, you can have a moral in the story also, right? And very importantly, story should have a title. It plays a very important role. Story should have a proper title, but the title should not be a lengthy one, right? Okay, just don't create a title which is so lengthy. It should have number of words, like you can have 3-4 words, right? But don't create a sentence out of the title. Okay, and it should be a catchy title, eye-catchy title, right? Now we are going through a sample story. Okay, but before that, I would like to tell you that the kinds of types of stories that you may get, right? In the question, you may be given the starting of the story and you have to complete the story, or you may be given the ending of the story, you have to create a story, or you may be given some hints as you used to have earlier. So according to hints, you have to join them and create your plot. Okay, or sometimes you might be given a situation, a problem, so you have to create a story out of it. Okay, so these are the kinds or types of story that you may get. Starting may be given, ending, mid may be given, or hints may be given. So you have to create a story out of that. But whatever it is, right, you all should follow these contents, these elements of writing a story. And one more suggestion that I would like to give you all is, please don't use supernatural elements, like you have aliens, you have fairies and all, which are not relatable, please avoid their usage. If possible, don't use these aliens and all which are not real. Okay, don't use such situations. Try to create your story in a way so that reader उस चीज से relate कर पाए. Obviously when you read a story book, okay, if you find something relatable कि वो चीज़ आपके साथ भी हुई है, so you will find it interesting because आप relate कर पा रहे हो उससे, right? But if you'll read about aliens, fairies, so it's not relatable at all, and we know it's not real, right? So try not to use such elements. Try to keep your story natural, right? Real, which could be relatable to the reader, and if it will be relatable, your reader will read or enjoy the entire story. He'll remain captivated in your story. Okay, so make sure not to or avoid the usage of supernatural elements. Try to keep it relatable, right? Now let's go through a sample story. So as you can see the question, last night was hot and humid. I slept with windows open. Around 2 a.m. I heard, and dot dot dot. So you have to complete the story. So this is the way in which the starting of the story is given, and you have to complete the story. Okay, in the same way you could get the ending also, you can get the mid also, you like situation, or you could get the hints of the story also. Okay, you have to complete the story in 150 to 200 words. So word limit is given. Giving it a suitable title. So whether it is given to give a suitable title or not, you have to give a title. आपको title देना ही है. Okay. Now, last night was hot and humid. I slept with the windows open, as it is given in the question. So you are starting the story in this way. Around 2 a.m. I heard a slight shuffling sound in my room. I opened my eyes a tiny bit and saw a man in my room. I pretended to be in deep sleep. Convinced, he moved towards my cupboard. Okay, so as you can see, stories created here in which a thief entered the room. I gathered courage and picking my phone from under my pillow, gave a number of missed calls to my dad. My father understood something was amiss, like something was wrong. He entered my room, but the robber was quick and tried to escape through the open window. So this is the sequence, like he's telling, right? But I stuck my leg out and he tripped the thief, right? So he was caught. Okay, the thief was caught. He was caught and handed over to the police. My family was happy that I reacted to the scary situation boldly and acted fast and sensibly. So just see the last line. Okay, it's the happy ending sort of. Okay, and climax was that he was caught and handed over to the police. Okay, this was the climax, right? So this is a short story that this is the way you should write it. Don't make it bit confusing. Just be clear with your plot, with the sequence. Please don't use supernatural elements. It will not get obviously if you when you read this story, the given story, you will find it relatable, right? It is like this. It's because a person can enter your room anytime. A thief can enter your room, but an alien cannot enter your room na. If you use an alien, अगर आपने alien use किया होता instead of a man, a person, so obviously it was not relatable. Okay, so don't use such elements. Try to be make your story a bit relatable, right? I hope I'll get some good stories in exam, right? I hope you'll remember all the points and you have understood the points. Still any doubt, please contact me, students. Make sure your story is in past tense, right? Go through the video again, right? Remember the main points and you can practice it from different books. If you want questions, you can just ask me for practice questions personally, right? Okay, I won't give it as a work, but you can ask me. You can shuffle your different previous books, grammar books, to practice it and get ready to create wonderful stories. Okay, so students, I'll see you all soon. Just take care and be safe. Thank you so much.